Mathangda Honorable Member Shri Ram Muivah no observation thambigani. Demand number 8.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. PWD department is something very close to my heart. Parabasu Padrabasu a Matam Amada Quina, PWD works ki Commissioner Principal Secretary Oirami. Agi idea knowledge kitan delay adu share downing bani. Adubu with the permission of the speaker. PWD per se acting aida. Aina budget ki kitan general observation ama pinning balay. While supporting the discussion and voting on demands for grants, while supporting, aina general observation ama pinning bamlay. Ekoi budget she as a concerned citizen oina, as a responsible public representative ama oina hiding bamlay. Ekoi budget she lopsided. I have this strong word oigani. Priority she kitang misplaced oibra khali. Our government department kuntra lebesida, development department haibelay, regulatory department haibelay. Aduna, if we go by simple aim and mission to develop our state, development department the priority bigger the money. Adubo ekoi priority the regulatory department the low piri. For example, PWD she Muivah Tabak Shu Bashi minimum 10,000 kilometers ni mun maintain to Bashi. Manipur da 19,000 kilometer road lay. Shida nearly 2,000 di national highway. 7,000 di PMJSY road high rashi. Adu in the hands of PWD da 10,000 kilometer lay bani. Adu da Muivah da hakum pi heba budget do I hujishu ningshinge on the floor of this house I haibani. While planning department city regulatory ni PWD di minimum 10,000 kilometer maintain dawani. Hagum Muivah budget to planning should 1,000 crore oiba. PWD should 1,000 crore oiba. Aduna ekoi budget shi misplaced oibra ina high hibani. For example, hagum Works Minister na haiba amlay Muivah budget 1,000 crore shida 700 crore de liability lay. Another 500 to 600 crore de moi salary, pension, work charge ki liability ni high. Aduna moi kutta only 258 crore lay man high kibani on the floor of the house. Aduda ay issue observe daw kibani. I don't know whether to cry or laugh. 10,000 kilometers maintained the 258 crore karamay tawani. It is a drop in the ocean. Kumshi di 652 crore hengat kare. Maybe it is by coincidence. I was one of the champion for the PWD ki budget hengat na bahabeshi. PWD ki engineer mayam su pami. Adubo in the Ukhrul di hay na bamlay. It is ironic. On the floor of the house, among the 60 members, I was championing the cause of PWD. Adubu Ukhrul da quite the big na piba. One whole year ki budget si only 8 crore. Agi constituency in the 52 villages lay, aduga third biggest town Ukhrul lay. 8 crore da ekramay na road maintain tawgani. Ado 4 crore do show 100 tasks in 100 days high bani. Uji popo pesham should be three. For example, Shirui Lily Festival Tawni Haina. Out of 4 crore to the 2 crore, the Shirui Lily Festival venue decision like bani. Venue improvement, entry road, car park, 200 car parks capacity, helipad, VIP helipad. Uji show pesham should release tawdri. Another 4 crore ekoi budget happy 4 crore, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the entire Ukhrul constituency of 52 villages, including the third biggest town. 4 crore to show Woji AAP 3 administrative approval, expedite sanction P3. Now we are at the fag end of the year. Engineer Mayam Supami, a normal tender period is 45 days. Which is 45 days later, 31st March, the financial year closed. We have no way but to resort to short tender. Luckily or unluckily, PWD court short tender, restricted tender, engineers in the pipeline on Pabani. Matter of extreme urgency, matter of secrecy, matter of law and order, matter of specialized nature, short tender, at least 4 crore to the short tender Tauraga. Taubanatan ate upay later. Have the Huji AAP3 and Mr. approval, ESP3, Jehidi Loire. We go by the financial year, Master Loiregani. That is one small example. Aduga Aina, Ekoyi Pacheche, Kitang Haning Bamalay, Development Department, PWD, PhD, Power, Education, Agriculture, Horticulture, Tourism, Shumushidi Development Department. Ekoi Shumda priority Pigatabani. Adubu, I have nothing against any individual department. Just one simple example. PWD ki quite the important development department, 1,600 crore budget. Police, 2,432 crore. To an innocent observer from the public, Manipur City Police State Wairen. PWD na 1,600. Police na 2,400. Quite the job the education ni 3,000 crore ni. Aduga police na second biggest oire, subject to correction. For example, Honorable Minister Education na toin haibam lay. The sanctioned strength of teacher in Manipur is 17,000, out of which we are managing with just 10,000, 7,000 vacancy lay. The total government employee of Manipur, subject to correction, 80,000, out of which 80,000, 30,000 are police, IRP, MR. Muna Khanbiro, Honorable Speaker, sir. Ekoi paisa shi very precious limited revenue ni 30,000 the law piri. Ado another 30,000 pension pigadabani. Nearly 40% of government employees are employee uniform oire. Ado ekoi shi police state on training. I have nothing against police. Law and order, we cannot compromise. To me, ado simple example people wani. For example, planning the plan to regulatory ni. They don't have the specialized engineers. How can they construct road? Ado moi budget bitawig chap manare. To construct a building, to construct a road, we need specialized engineers, architects. Ado ekoi priority di regulatory law in pigre. For example, planning, GAD, finance, police, ate mayam lady. No, I have nothing against any individual. As a concerned citizen on Haibani, PWD that Chowna people talk the road, education that Chowna people talk the road, tourism, PhD, agriculture, horticulture. Most of the private people in Pagani have a submission. Now I would like to come to the specific PWD. I matam amata PWD sungaksan pairami central government issue I 5 years finance that yaurami. I Manipur additional secretary finance oirami, commissioner sales tax oirami. Aduna I kitang idea to share those about one. For example, road construction city engineer mayan phangbiri. In Manipur it is seasonal. Ekoi na black top dobo yabashi November to March tani. Ekoi ching de April long taba haureba. April to October the black top dobo shuya yade. If you black top it, it will be eroded. Adun long chuba matamda paperwork tawidabani, tender, estimate, sanction, award of work, mobilization of manpower, machinery, adu tawidabani. November 1st tagi black top tawidabani. Hojik phawa AAP3, ESP3, katong black top tawidabano. Mishi ay PWD singda hanjani bani. Perhaps where there is lack of planning or mismanagement in the housekeeping, adu inventory to khalaga planning de tawraga nong chuba matamda loina paperwork si loiraba. Dry season the black top tawwadin habis ay haningi Aduna PWD na Ekoi Ukhrul da looks like I have been singled out to be punished. While I'm championing the cause of PWD for the last 1 year, I was given the smallest budget. Not even initial approval has been given. When it comes to building also, half of the members are living in Lamphel. Lamphel ki quarter bungalow mayam she sarok ki makhada lo in lebani. Engonda a lot tobudu nongchu thada lot tobani. Ay bungalow to ay yang bachat paganda. It was like a fish pond, flooded. Water hyacinth do loy na sarok de changaga yum do ishing thalaga lerambani. Honestly speaking, I was crestfallen. Contractor amana ay bunung sidona without any sanction, without anything, mas 70 lakh changaga 4-inch mana verified tile tawi, rigid pavement tawi, hanadi ceramic tile tawrambani. Mana 70 lakh mai pocket di lothok tawre. Ma hojik phawa sikiam su phangdari. Atay shu adu mai tawramba yai. Ay gidi building should be there, sarok should be there, amadi should be there. While I'm championing the cause of PWD. Aduna hojiki ay ngakta nate Lamphel leipa banglo mayamdu ay na pauta badi member attention su equally adu may spend over lay have su lay. Ekhoi basic fundamental planning si shwai bani ba. Yung na sarok de nemba hai bisi karamba civil law phap ta di. Aduna hojik su amuga long darabdi yung si flooded oiragdra hai ba wakan de lay. Adu ana tawkiba 70 lakh do loi ni pibang amrabisu kharati piro hai bisini. Shirui Lily Festival loire hoji ano bhaw dore. Hakum tawkiba 200 car capacity car park paisa bidri. Entry ki laptop to bidri. Venue yudu bidri. VIP helipad paisa sikiam su bidri. Aduna ay PWD ki Hon'ble Minister of Works signing bani. Adoga hoji ki ay lotion ba su nahi jage PWD City ngarang Hon'ble Minister Works Muivah road make a rich nation. A rich nation has good road. Kayamuk chumbano. Shumay na haiba shuam malay. We are not just building road. We are building a nation. Haibsiyam chumbani. Adona. Ay di PWD budi 1,600 crores issue big mali khali. Yarabdi mo issue hanat. Grahena BBU. Abdi mo di 10,000 kilometer road maintain tawribani. Ay PWD karishu yam hiding they have the more 700 crore liability lebanina against the budget provision of 258 crore. Adun may more paisa le the show ba yai adubu kumshi di 652 crore si hangat karabanina liability issue clear tobang amgani aduga hujiki hana 100 days tobudishu Shirui Lily Festival venue tobudishu aduga ateshro tobum hesing su clear tobudiyam phagani ai bashi Speaker number terms